Ladies and gentlemen, today we are starting off with Brother Seth. you got Justin Gray. How you feeling today, bro? Talk to me.
A little better.
All right. Tell the people, what do you love of Obama?
Yeah.
Ooh, walking away.
You like getting those text messages?
I love it.
Or did everyone get the text message?
I got. One thing I love about working with Robert is the communication. Everybody's on the same page, always updating each other and sharing tips and tricks, and that's what I really like with the communication. Once we have that down, let's go, Baba! Yeah, you.
My shit's still up there. Got me snacking. Got me laughing.
Yeah.
What's up, man? My guy. Hey. Leave enough padding in front of you, yeah?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, everybody already went. I'm over here today. I'm gonna be rescuing, so we'll see where we go first, and then yeah, from there to there. Already did my rescue for Taylor, and now I'm doing Travis, and yeah, all up in yeah. Let's go, baby. One rescue done, one more to go, and we'll see what else I do after. Alrighty, gonna be my third rescue. We'll meet up with Maho and grab 3 totes. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Gonna rescue Junior right now, the brother Junior, and yeah, we'll see where we go from there. Let's go. Bruh, this is amazing. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, these uphills in higher height. So, this is one of the delivery areas where we go to. Check them out. Ooh. That is beautiful. You see that sign right there? Oh, I tell you, beautiful. Oh, yeah. Okay, walking down was easy, but walking up, I'm walking, not running. So we stay with Rain. Rain, how you doing?
Sup.
Almost done? Yes, sir. Came to rescue him, 2 totes. Yep, that's about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done filling up gas, done rescuing for the day. And yeah, just about to get some treat for myself for getting 8 gallons over here at Texaco White Camilo. You know? Yes, sir. Get a hot dog because I'm hungry. Well, done for the night. Heading home. Yes, sir. It was a good rescuing today. Rescued 5 people. Shout out to Junior. Shout out to Rain. To Travis, Taylor, and Matt. Thank you for letting me rescue you guys. Have a good night.